Hi, welcome back to Food Travel Shopping Channel, and you're watching another episode here, Restaurant Remake. And as you all know, I did a Chinese takeout fried chicken earlier this year when I released it, and it's been a blast so far. A lot of viewers really enjoy fried chicken, and I myself love it as well. And that's one of my favorite dishes at the Chinese takeout. So I have a couple of viewers who asked me, well, can we use the air fryer? And I thought to myself, well, I'm not so sure because the batter is slightly runny with the one that I suggested in the video. And I decided to give this a try. So I am actually doing my fried chicken using my air fryer. So if you have not yet watched my original video, I will put that in the description box below. But please, friends, if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to the Food Travel Shopping channel. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. And at the end of the video, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up by hitting the like button below. So let me show you how to create this fried chicken using my air fryer. Okay, so I have my air fryer here. I'll be using the Philips Twin Turbo Technology Extra Large Air Fryer. Right now I'm just preheating my air fryer here. 400 degrees, make sure you're using the suggested chicken mode. This is the famous chicken wing that I have already shared with you all, the recipe. Now I saw some comments that, asking me if whether we can use an air fryer. And I thought it was a good idea to actually show you how to use the air fryer here, because I definitely tried it out a few times before I think what is the perfect temperature and the perfect timing to make sure your chicken is crispy. So if you want to check out the recipe, I will put the recipe in the description box below. And if you want to see how I mixed it all together, I will put that video in the description box below as well. This is another version of the Chinese takeout fried chicken wings, but this time we're using the air fryer. All right, so I'm gonna turn off my air fryer for a second because it is up to temperature already, so I'm just gonna leave that. Okay, so what I wanted to do with you here first is to actually go ahead and add a little bit more cornstarch here. I found it that it is useful to add a little bit more cornstarch for this particular recipe if you're using it through the air fryer. So I find it is actually more useful to actually dust in more cornstarch over the chicken wings after we marinate it for one night. And before we do the air fryer, it is crucial to dust more of these cornstarch in. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and scoop my cornstarch here. Okay, and we're just gonna dust this over. All right. And then I use my hand here just to give this a good mix again. You can see all the marinated sauce is actually on the bottom. And also the reason why we want to do add in a little bit more cornstarch is actually really have the batter stick to the chicken. All right, we are using the air fryer. We're not using a deep fryer. If we're using a deep fryer, it's okay to have the batter to be very light and very runny. But here, because we're using an air fryer, I would like the batter to be a little bit thicker. So then this way, it really sticks to the chicken. So look at the texture here. It really sticks to my wings here, right? All right, so now I'm gonna show you. Pull this out. All right, so let me show you how I'm gonna put this into the air fryer. I'm gonna make sure I have it on. All right, make sure we're using the chicken mode. Gonna increase the temperature here to 400. All right, I'm gonna have that on first. All right, so make sure we space the chicken wing and spread it out. So I'm gonna do 3 at a time here. And please note, this is actually the extra large version of the air fryer here. Okay, so I want to show you in this case, how do we set this up here, okay? So we are going to initially air fry it for 10 minutes, okay? So then after 10 minutes, we're gonna take it out and then we're gonna let it rest for 10 minutes and then we're gonna air fry it again. So I'm gonna show this process with you here. So let this sit for 10 minutes and then we'll come back and see the initial result after the first 10 minutes and then we're gonna air fry it again. Okay, so after 4 minutes on the flat side here, now we're gonna do facing up again. So just go ahead and turn that around. Okay, so you just really have to be patient with the air fryer. And that's what I found in this case. So if you don't have a deep fryer and you wanted to have it a little healthier version, you gotta be patient, right? So good food, we gotta be patient here. Another 4 minutes and that should be good. Okay, so this is the second batch of the first air frying. Okay, look very, very nice already. So now we're just going to actually pick it up. All right, so now we're gonna just pick it up and put it over here on the paper towel and just let it rest. All right. All right, so try not to overlap them. While the old one, I can overlap them. It's been cool. All right, so the new one, try not to overlap them. All right, so try not to overlap these one. These were cooled already. All right, so I usually do all my batches first, and then we really let this cool down before we do the second air frying. Let's see our final results. Look at this golden brown color. All right, now we're just gonna transfer it over to a nice plate. Okay, so I have my lovely plates ready next to it right here. Gonna place one right here. Gonna place the next one right here. Oh my goodness, my mouth is watering. Maybe you are too. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up by hitting the like button right now. Okay, so at the end of our restaurant remake, we always try out our food. So let's take a look at here. Okay, very hot. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest. So it is very tender in there, okay? Very soft, not dry. But I have to be honest with you, the air fryer is just not gonna be as amazing as deep frying, okay? But it does the work, okay? So if you don't have a deep frying machine at home, don't go, out your way to get a deep fryer. And if you have one of these air fryer, it does satisfy my craving for the Chinese takeout fried chicken. Still good. It's actually a healthier version, not using the deep frying oil, and it's just as great. So consider subscribing my channel so then you won't miss another beat. Also hit the bell notification as well, so then you will see my latest video and update. Friends, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later on my another episode of Restaurant Remake.